thing that they include almost with every meal, and that dish is the cassava bread. So to make the cassava bread, they use this root that you see right here. This is the cassava root or manioc, tapioca. And then this one is already peeled. So what they do with the root is once they peel it and they wash it, they grate it. And this one here is a piece of wood embedded with stone to grate it. But once they grate it, all of that white substance that's left over, they'll put it in a cloth and they'll squeeze all of the liquid out. And that liquid, they just separate as starch. And that white substance that is left over, once they squeeze all the liquid out, they will sift it to get the flour from the cassava root. And once they sift it, they leave it, they let it dry out for some time. And then that flour, they'll just spread it across, let's say like a flat hot surface or like a flat stove. And they don't add anything to that flour, and it just sticks together to make the bread. And the bread sometimes can be as big as this, you know. Oh, wow. And what we have here are some samples for that cassava bread if you guys would like to try. The only thing they added to it was a little bit of margarine on the top to give it a bit of flavor for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to pass it around if you guys would like to take a taste. So you can just take one and then just pass it across. Okay, so that's the cassava bread. There's a next thing that we're also going to make you guys sample, but we're not going to show you how you make this one because we don't have the time, because this one is very long. But what you're going to pass across is the coconut candy, which is also a special little treat here. I'm going to pass this one across. There you go, if you guys would like to take a taste. Yeah. And guys, if you like, the lady here, she says this little bag in case if you liked it and you would like to buy it. Okay? I think the cassava bread, son dos, ¿verdad? She says the bread for $2 the bag, and the coconut candy for also $2 the bag in case if you guys want to buy one. Okay?